Sunil here from Our Clean. So we are cleaning a roof today. We've got severe lichen growing on this roof, and we've also got it growing on all aspects of the surface, all the pitches of the roof, as well as the gutters being quite full. This lady's preparing for sale, so she obviously wants it to smarten up significantly. This is the view from the top. As you can see, there's a lot more lichen than you can see from down below. Let me show you what we can achieve. Pretty amazing difference. As you can see here, there are these residues that remain from the lichen, but the interesting thing is when I show you the end view, you'll see you can hardly see them from the ground. What you see from the roof perspective is really different from what you see from the ground. Okay, so these are the finished results. Fantastic. You wouldn't even recognize it as the same roof, and I think in terms of preparing the property for sale for this lady, she's absolutely rapt. She couldn't believe it. So great results, and I have to say Colorbond is an amazing product in terms of retaining its paint under immense pressure. So it's, as long as your paintwork is in good condition, it'll come up brand new like this. Hope you enjoyed the video, folks.